Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you control the club account. Log in as the admin and confirm two-factor prompts. Once done, check the registered email inbox and any linked phone for recovery codes so changes won't lock you out. Make sure the new email is active and you can sign into it on another device. This prevents delays when the service sends verification links. You're starting with access and identity because without them, the system won't accept an email update. You now navigate to account or profile settings and locate contact info or email. Enter the new address, then confirm with your current password to authorize the change. This step prevents unauthorized updates. After submitting, the system sends a verification link to that new inbox. Click it promptly while your admin session remains active. If prompted, update secondary contacts or notification preferences so messages go to the new address. This sequence ensures both security and continuity of club communications. Finish by reviewing the profile to confirm the new email appears and testing notifications to ensure delivery. Update billing and any integrations, mailing lists, event platforms, or shared drives so they point to the new address and inform fellow admins. If verification doesn't arrive, check spam and promotions, then resend and wait 10 to 15 minutes. If still missing, reinitiate the change or reset the password for added security. This final check prevents communication gaps and maintains administrative control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.